Good afternoon, friends. Today plays GBP USD 3 trade, one lot size 1000 USD equity. Right now profit 129. This is dashboard. You have seen 129 profit. Good profit comes. Go to chart. Here market is rejection the trend line 4 hour time frame. Okay, I will check in 1 hour time frame. There also reject the upper level, but it will go up as like that. There resistance level is 1.25170. Next resistance level is here 1.25456. This is next resistance level, but there 4 hour time frame trend line rejection as like that. Market will go up. Okay, there 5 minute time frame I have checked. There moving average 50 moving average there touch, and then market will go up. But waiting, you can trade from here. This is good level for trade, and stop loss you can do here 1.24837. it will place here, and it will go up 1.25170 as like that. But my 3 trade is right now to profit. I will hold some more time. This is definitely will be a good profit. There 15 minute time frame, there also downfall, but it will go up. Waiting some time. Right now profit decrease, but waiting for sometimes. I have no losses, that's why I am waiting. Try to reject the 50 moving average rejection, then it will go fast up. You can trade from here. Good movement, you can do that. There 1.24930 to 5170. £100 from here. Good profit will come if you place to standard lot. This is GBP USD. Very well. This is reject the 50 moving average. Right now profit $93. But I will wait some more time. Definitely it will give me maximum profit per lot $200. I will try to hold this all trade. You can trade your equity basis. Don't be more risk. You can trade here from GBP USD. Today is bullish market as like that. This rejection for our time